Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we learn about numbers. Are you ready to play with numbers? So let's start with number 1. This is beautiful number 1. Can you speak with me? 1. Great. And color is yellow. The next will come. This is number 2. Speak with me. 2. And color is green color, leafy green color. After 2, we will paste here number 3. This is number 3. Can you speak with me? 1, 2, 3. Nice. Now we are put it here number 4. Speak with me. 4. Nice. We will paste here number 4. After 4, you know what is the next number will come? That's right, it's a number 5. This is number 5. We will paste after number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and next will come number 6. This is orange color number 6. We will paste here number 6. After 6, we will find here number 7. We got it. It's a purple color number 7. We paste here number 7. After 7, we put it here number 8. Purple color number 8. You know what is the next will come? That's right, it's a number 9. Speak with me. 9. Great. After 9, what is the next will come? Number 10. 1, 0, 10. What is the next will come? This is number 11. Blue color number 11. 1, 1, 11. After 11, we put it here number 12. 1, 2, 12. Speak with me. 1, 2, 12. After 12, what is the next will come? That's right, it's a number 13. 1, 3, 13. After 13, we will paste here number 14. 1, 4, 14. You have any idea what is the next will come? That's right, it's a number 15. 1, 5, 15. After 15, we will paste here number 16. 1, 6, 16. After 16, we will paste here number 17. 1, 7, 17. Now, what is the next will come? This is number 18. 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. After 18, we will paste here number 19. 1, 9, 19. After 19, what is the number will come? This is number 20. 2, 0, 20. Are you ready to do one more time? So let's start. Speak with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now we will practice to write number. Let's start with number 1. This is number 1. After number 1, we will write here number 2. What come after 2? 3. Speak with me. 4. Next, we will write here number 5. After that, number 6. Then 7. How to write 8? First we make 0. Then we make one more 0. Number 8. How we will write 9? This way. 10. 1. Then we make 0. 1, 0, 10. 11, 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12, 1 3, 13, 1 4, 14, 1 5, 15, 1 6, 16, 1 7, 17, 1 8, 18, 1 9, 19, 2 0, 20. Okay kids, see you soon in next video with more fun and learning. Bye bye. Take care. Stay healthy and happy.